This episode was made possible by the support of our patrons at Bongi Chadda.
You are watching Pasher Barir Ranna, recipes from the neighbor's kitchen.
বাড়ির কাছে আর শ্রীনগর সেথা পড়শি বসত করে এখন পড়শি বসত করে একদিনও না
Today's episode is Losar pork roast with Doma Wang.
Well, Losar basically means New Year in Tibetan. Lo is year and Saba is new. I always have grown up eating my dad's Losar pork roast. He would make like 10 kgs, 15 kgs. It would just be, because we lived in Kalimpong, which is cold, we didn't have to put it in the fridge. It would be on the table and whoever came would just cut a slice or two and then eat it. That's the only roast we ever had at home because we were not very familiar with an oven. So the pork roast was done on a stovetop in a pan or, pot, whatever you. It is really very close to my heart and one of the easiest things to make. Well, I usually like a nice slab, a nice pork belly with, say, 40% or 30% fat. Something that looks like a cake. Better to be separated like the fat and then the meat, So when you cut through it, you have both the fat and the red, and it's a nice mouthful. When you're buying the meat, I think one thing you have to keep in mind that the skin has to be clean. Make sure all the hair has been removed. It's cleaned and dried before you cook it. In Kolkata, I buy it from my butcher in Podarkot, near Podarkot Territory Market.
फैट थोड़ा ज़्यादा है लेकिन अब इससे अच्छा तो नहीं होगा सर ये दे दो
You always do not get the perfect slice, but then it's not that important.
स्किन साफ करना
It totally comes down to the taste, I think so. Yeah.
I'll pay right now वो बोलना भूल गया ठीक है थैंक यू
When I was a child, my father used to bring me to Calcutta from Kalimpong, and early in the morning he would wake me up by saying, "Come on, let's go eat breakfast at Podarkot, at Chinapara."
प्रॉन्स सुमाई 6 ठो दे दो ठीक है We'll take one fish ball, one meatball each, and then we'll see.
I remember going there, eating the baos. There was a lady who had a round red table. We would sit there, eat the baos, eat the soft-boiled eggs, eat a bowl of meatballs. And then my pork vendor is there. You get a variety of vegetables there. So it's a treat to go and buy the veggies and meat. Usually, people basically just boil it with the spices, but my dad used to caramelize the skin, which gave it a nice color and a different flavor and texture. Put the sugar and wait until it caramelizes into a nice brown color. Then you put this meat skin down and just roll it around so that you get that nice brown color. It's like you're almost wiping the sugar off the pot. And then you also turn it around so that, every part has a little bit of sugar. It's like a little bruising of like sugar spots on it. It's brown. So usually I do it with my hands, but if you want to be extra careful, because I tend to burn this portion all the time because of the sugar. And that hurts real bad. If you want, you can also use a tong to do the wiping off. And also make sure all your ingredients are close at hand because, you don't want your skin to get burnt. So have everything nearby. and you also add Old Monk. So that nice flavor into your pork roast, I think adds a little more, it tastes better. My dad also added Old Monk. After you put all the ingredients, you add some hot water. I usually add just enough to almost cover the pork. And then you let it come to a boil, cover it, slow cook it. Keep looking at it. It's not an oven, so you can't have a temperature and a time. This, you need to keep looking at it until the water is almost dry. It's too slow. Let's let it cook for some time. Let's see. A lot of people use different kinds of soy sauce. I personally like to use Sing Chong's dark soy sauce. It brings a nice color. The saltiness is also just right, and I think it adds to the total flavor of the thing.
Or pineapple? Dark de do, pineapple egg de do. You want this and this and this? Oh, choto ache? I will take this for my house. Eta?
Because you know, rather than using the light one and the other fancy ones, our local Sing Chong sauces are really good.
What happened? You're not coming to the restaurant nowadays? You used to come dating with your girlfriend. Now what happened? Broke off with your girlfriend or man?
I married that girl.
Oh, but you didn't invite me, so.
Then you just test it with a chopstick or whatever to see if it just slides through. Smells good though. While you are checking on it, you just take a few spoons of the sauce and pour it on top. That evenly puts the sauce into your meat. While you're checking to see if the meat is done, if you think you still need to cook it a little more, it's easy to add a little more water. It's fine. This is a very, very easy recipe, no stress. Just add a little bit water and cook it again. I think it should be done. There has to be some sauce left over, but because that's where the magic lies. Don't dry it out completely. Check the sauce to see if it's a little sticky, little thick consistency. If it's too thick, it doesn't feel good to eat it. So it has to be just right, a little more than jammy. Leave it to rest for about half an hour. I don't usually, because I just want to cut and eat it as soon as it's done, but it would be advisable to rest it for a bit. Take the pork, put it in the sauce and eat it. Garam, garam, garam. Be careful. During Losar, people just have it as a side when they're drinking alcohol. But for me, I like to eat it with a phale. Phale is a Tibetan bread. Just cut it in the middle, stuff it nicely with the pork slices, add a little bit of sauce and eat it like it's so yum. You can also eat it with rice, some nice sticky rice, some pork and maybe a stir-fried green on the side. That makes a perfect meal. And again, this pork roast brings back a lot of beautiful memories. When I was in the boarding school in Kalimpong, I would wait for my friend who was a day scholar to come and give me the packet that my dad had sent. It used to be phales stuffed with this pork roast. And my friends we would not eat breakfast, we would just wait for this delicious thing. When I think of it, I think it's better than any burger in the world.